everyone. So, hello. It's, ano na, 4 a.m.
We're going to Baguio.
It's 4 a.m. and we're going to Baguio. We decided na mag-PTX na lang muna.
I do not feel any sleepiness. I'm not sleepy.
This is so
Even
cool.
though it's in the morning, 2 p.m.
So, we're in the luxury and we are here at PITX going to Baguio. Yeah. Anya and Daddy is there. Since Anya is only 1 year old, free siya. Look,
I put
may pag-game. May nag-enjoy na bata. So, alis na kami. We're here in Burnham Park.
The second famous park in
Later,
the
we will
Philippines.
ride a boat. Hanap lang muna kami ng food kasi sobrang gutom na kami. We woke up at 2. Muntik pa kaming malate.
I didn't,
Umalis yung bus ng 4 and straight. Dito na kami.
I
Nakarating kami
didn't
8.
even sleep.
So, hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast.
I didn't even sleep.
Kaya,
guys.
hahanap muna kami ng kakainan. Look at there! Anya, Daddy!
Next na.
Ay, nagpepedal ako.
Papatak ko yung pao.
Hi guys! So it's 2 p.m. 2-3 p.m. na. Nandito na kami sa hotel kasi kami nagstay. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Travel Light Hotel. Just across Burnham Park. And then yung kinuha namin is a twin bed. Pero pinagdikit lang namin. Kasi kailangan namin yung isa nakadikit sa wall dahil meron kaming baby. Basically, ganito lang siya kaliit. And di na kami nagma-arte kasi jam pack naman ang gagawin namin activity. So may CR. Ito naman yung CR. Clean naman siya. So, hi babe! Mama, what are you eating? So, magpapahinga muna kami kasi mamayang gabi ulit. Gora na kami ulit sa galaan. Ganado kong pumadyak, oh. Hi! Kuya!
Anya daw.
Ano, kuya? Hi, kuya! ride too? By herself? No. You know, Anya will do it too by herself. Wow. Say hi, Anya. 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 First time to try alive. Strawberry farm, naturally bad for you. And it's 7:21 p.m.
That's a lakas.
Strawberry farm!
No, that's ano.
Sadly, there's no strawberries.
Yeah, it's not season anymore, so we cannot pick a strawberry. But at least the kids got to see it. We're entering Igorot Kingdom. This is so nice. So we are here in the Igorot Kingdom. Igorot Gold Mine.
Go inside.
Super scary. Let's go. Hoy, hoy. Hi. Say hi to all.
Wow, super high.
We're here at Igorot Stone Kingdom and it's super nice. So I will recommend na magpunta kayo dito. Pag nandito kayo sa Baguio, it's super nice here. Super nice. All the stones, amazing. Okay. So, may picture kami dito sa King's Throne. Let's go! So we did a 5 to 8 minute walk from Igorot Stone Kingdom going here to Tamawan Village. Nag-walk lang kami. Tamawan Village. We're doing a hiking here in the Tamawan Village. So pag pumasok ka, pwede kang mag-hire ng yung magtutour guide. Tapos via donation na lang. Tapos itutour ka niya dito sa loob. And we're doing a mini hiking. Hindi na alam na mapa-hike pala dito. Kahapon, medyo umulan. So medyo slippery yung mga dinadaanan namin ngayon. So careful lang pag nagtita kayo dito. And I also suggest na kuha rin kayo na tour guide kasi magandang may pa-tour.
Did you saw that?
I think the camera saw it. Don't you worry.
No, did you saw?
Oh yeah, there. Dali. Don't lang. Ayaw na ni Anya.
So that's all. Thank you for watching and coming here at the Tamawan Village. For those who want to take a picture with us,
Here at Camp John. And dito kami kakain ng lunch. Nasaan yung Mines View? O nga no,
Kagulo.
nagsiksikan pa sila dun.
Kagulo pa yung mga
Nagkagulo pa sila dun. Kuya Loren. Share ko lang, nung pupunta kami dito, maulan talaga sa Cavite. Tapos, nagsisimula na ngayon tag-ulan. So, going here, I pray the rosary, syempre, for safe travels and also good weather. And God really listened. Since yesterday until now, sobrang araw dito. Samantalang nung chinecheck namin yung mga app, sabi 50% rain, 40% rain. But, sobra ang araw. See, nakakapag-wear pa ka ng shades. Kasi maaraw siya. God is really good and God really listens. By the way, since nag-PTX nga lang kami going here, so yung mga travel namin here, palipat-lipat kami ng mga lugar, nagta-taxi lang kami. So, taxi or grab taxi. Pero syempre mas mura yung taxi pagka medyo mahirap humanap, nag-grab taxi na kami. But yeah, kasi ayaw naming mag-drive dito, puro pataas, puro pa slope, and hindi kami sanay. So, commute lang kami. Okay naman siya. We're here at the right park. So, it's 2 p.m. na. Done na kami sa Mines View, sa ano nga ba yung isa? Sa Good Shepherd. Nagpicture na rin kami sa The Mansion. And now we are in Ride Park. So almost mauubos na namin kagad yung mga nasa itinerary namin. Which is good job. Nasulit namin yung lakad namin dito sa Baguio. So this is the right park. Baby bow! So cute! Oh, so cute! Oh no! Oh no! Gusto niya pumitas ng flower pero bawal kasi dito. Oh no!
Mamaya.
Hug na lang daw kuya. Hug na lang daw kuya. Okay. Oh no! Okay, no. Okay, let's go. Hi! Ayaw magpahawak kay mami, kay daddy. Ayaw mag-stroller. Kay kuya lang siya hahawak. Sige. Hey, good morning! So, third day namin. At nandito kami sa Good Taste Restaurant sa Baguio. Kilala siya dito talaga. Kagabi, dito dapat kami mag-dinner, pero puno kasi sa kagabi. So, nag-transfer na. Kaya natin malalaman kung talagang worth it yung pila. Grabe haba ng pila dito kagabi. Day 3, our last day here in Baguio, and
In Baguio, it is National French Fries Day.
again, 1, 2, 3. Today is day 3, and this is our last day here in Baguio. And nandito kami sa Botanical Garden. Ingat-ingat pa. Oh. Look at their flowers. So nice.
There's a literal butterflies.
Kuya, dito ka sa harap ko.
I need a flashlight. Flashlight, eh? By the
So,
way,
we are here under the, what are these? bamboo.
See? She's literally recording right now.
Now, we are inside the, ewan ko kala na. Pero mainly, puro mga cactuses ang nandito sa loob. So, ang dami talagang bulaklak dito. Syempre, botanical garden yan eh. Ang gaganda ng bulaklak nila because of the weather, of the climate. Really good for the plants and flowers. So we are back here in Camp John Hay, but this time, nandito kami sa park area nila. Yesterday kasi, ando kami sa food area. So, see, merong house dito. Hindi ko alam kung meron sa house na to, but it's super nice. A bell house! This is a bell house. This is nice. It's nice.
What is a bell house?
Wow. Dad, it's super nice. You see their sala? It's super big. Pagpapasok nga pala dito, may entrance fee, 80 pesos for the adults. And then for the, kung may student, may ID, 40 pesos. Pero pag 4 feet and below, it's free. Inside Baguio Museum. We're inside the Baguio Museum. So, it's nice also to go here. So, kapag nandito rin kayo sa Baguio, visit nyo rin siya. Along the main road lang siya across University of Cordillera. And it's nice to see maraming mga figurines of, syempre, yung culture dito sa Baguio. Mga Ifugao, ng mga taga-Abra. So, nandito lang kami sa SM Baguio, sa Starbucks. Ispa yung bus namin. So, dito na lang kami mag-aalpad. It's 4:36 naman na. So,
Oh my goodness.
konti na lang. Sana lang huwag umulan habang nandito kami. Kasi, nandito kami sa labas. Mas masarap kasi. Lamig. Tapos, nawala na yung town sa Baco. Hindi ko alam kung ano na ba to. Fog, cloud, pag sa Cavite, smog. Volcanic smog. The town is gone. Clouds to, cloud. There you go.
Hi.
So, we're here na.
I did not
So, bus at... Settle na sila. Sila ang tabi doon. Very comfortable.
Yeah, super.
You see? Hi mo na kayo.
Hi, love.
Anong hi la?
Hi, love.